Popular actress Bukky, also known as Bukky ARUGBA, has been Nigerians' favorite on the silver screen since her stunning performance in the movie ARUGBA, produced by famed film director Tunde Kilani 10 years ago. Popular actress Bukky allegedly kidnapped her star spouse, DAMOLA OLATUNJI, from another lady. In an interview with Saturday Beats, the mother of twins said that it was the most difficult time of her life. The actress, who has now regained her confidence and returned to the big screen, explained how her spouse responds when another man kisses her on set. Bukky, who has fallen under her husband's spell as a result of his acting talent. She also discussed how she has managed the throngs of female admirers.